Hello everyone! We are proud to finally be able to present our printed models as well as some of their features. Here is the figurine shelf. As you can see, the tray and the retaining slides do their job well. Your figurines will not move and will stay in place. Let's close the box again and see if the shelves will resist the crash test. Let's add a little difficulty to our device and make the box move in all directions. As you can see, nothing has moved. Isn't that a success? Second crash test. This time we will test the maintenance of the box elements, one with the other. Let's install the handles. This is done in 3 parts. First the supports, the tenons, and finally comes the handles. Remember to do the quarter turn to lock the assembly. Now let's move this box a little and see if it works. Oh, here is the part that will interest our dear friends, the painters. As you can see, we have taken the example with the paints of this type, but we also have supports for another well-known brand. The feet are designed to adapt to the particular rails of the Orc box. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope that our boxes please you and meet your needs. There was a lot of work and time spent creating these models, so we are counting on you to allow us to continue, and why not offer you other themes for the next campaign? So help us by making us stronger.